Imagine this for a moment. You wake up early in the morning. Maybe it's a Monday. You pick up the phone. You open your bank app to transfer money for your business, or you want to pay your child's school fees, and boom, your account is frozen. You can't access a single naira. And when you ask the bank why, they quietly tell you it's because you have been doing cryptocurrency transaction. This is the reality of many Nigerians today. But here's the shocking truth. Cryptocurrency is not illegal in Nigeria. Let's talk about what's really going on. Not long ago, a young man in Lagos shared his story with me. During the 2020 lockdown, he decided to start saving in Bitcoin. He bought 2 million naira worth of BTC. By the next year, his investment had grown to 7 million naira. He was excited. Finally, something was working for him financially. But when he tried to withdraw the money to his bank account, he got the shock of his life. The account was flagged, frozen, and every kobo became untouchable. No crime committed, no fraud allegation, just because he traded crypto. So the big questions are, is cryptocurrency actually legal in Nigeria? Can you store wealth in it without fear? And if your account gets frozen because of crypto transaction, what exactly can you do to unfreeze it? Let's break it all down. First, let's get something straight. Cryptocurrency itself is not illegal in Nigeria. Let me repeat that owning Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any cryptocurrency is not a crime. There is no law in Nigeria that says you cannot buy or hold crypto. What happened was this. In February 2021, the Central Bank of Nigeria, the CBN, released a circular that stopped banks and other financial institutions from dealing directly with cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance or Bybit. In simple terms, CBN told banks, don't process crypto payments, don't allow deposits or withdrawals for cryptocurrency exchanges. Now here is where the confusion comes in. Many Nigerians heard this and thought, government has banned crypto. But that's not true. The circular was aimed at banks and not individual Nigerians. You can trade crypto, you can own it, you can store it. What you cannot do easily is move large amounts of money in and out of your bank account if the bank suspects it's related to crypto. And that's the tension we live with. Let's be real, Nigerians are in a tough financial position. Inflation is eating away the naira every single day. And if you store 5 million naira in your bank account today, give it 1 year, the value of that money has dropped. So people turn to crypto as a way to protect their money. Bitcoin, stable coins like USDT, even Ethereum, people see it as a hedge against inflation. But then comes the problem. You save in Bitcoin, the price jumps up and down like a roller coaster. One day, your 5 million is worth 7 million naira, and the next week is worth 4 million naira. This volatility scares a lot of people. You say, okay, let me play it safe. You sell your crypto and move it into naira and leave it in the bank. The next thing, your account is frozen because the bank suspects you are dealing in crypto. So in Nigeria today, ordinary people are stuck in a dilemma. If you keep your money in naira, inflation destroys it. If you keep it in Bitcoin, volatility shocks you. If you touch the banking system with crypto transactions, your account might get frozen. That is the painful reality that Nigerians face. Now let's go deeper into this problem. Why are banks freezing accounts in the first place? Here's the background. The CBN is very strict on banks. If a bank is caught facilitating crypto transactions, they can be fined heavily. So what do the banks do? They overreact. The moment they see unusual inflows and outflows, especially transactions linked to peer-to-peer crypto trades, they hit the panic button and freeze their account. Most of the time, these freezes are not because the account owner committed any crime or fraud. It's simply because the banks don't want trouble with the CBN. Let me give you an example. A young woman in Abuja decided to sell some Bitcoin through peer-to-peer exchange so she could pay her school fees. A buyer transferred naira into her account. Within days, her bank account was flagged, citing crypto-related transaction. Just like that, her school fees money was trapped. She wasn't accused of fraud. She wasn't charged with any offense. but her life was disrupted because of the fear banks have of crypto. And this is happening every single day across Nigeria. So what do you do if you wake up and see your account has been frozen because of crypto? The first step is to contact your bank. Sometimes they'll give you a vague reason like CBN directive or suspicious transaction. Most of the time they won't give you much detail. The second and most effective step is to get a lawyer. In Nigeria, banks do not have the power to keep your money indefinitely without a valid court order. What usually happens is that the bank goes to court to get an order freezing the account. So with a lawyer, you can file a counter application in court. This is usually done by way of a motion, asking the court to unfreeze your account and release your money. If your lawyer can show that your funds came from lawful crypto trades and not any criminal activity, the court often rules in your favor. Another practical step is to always keep records. If you are trading crypto, save your transaction history. Keep evidence of your trades, receipts, and transfers. That way, if anything happens, you can prove your money is legitimate. And finally, a piece of advice: don't keep moving large sums of money directly from crypto exchanges to your Nigerian bank account. If you must, cash out in smaller amounts, or better yet, consider using stablecoins and self-custody wallet for holding. Then only withdraw what you need per time. So where does this leave us? The truth is that Nigeria is one of the biggest crypto markets in Africa. Despite the banking restriction, millions of Nigerians trade crypto every day. We are some of the most creative and resilient people in the world. But to navigate safely, we must be wise. Here are some takeaways. Use peer-to-peer exchanges carefully. Only trade with trusted parties. Store your crypto in self-custody wallet, meaning wallets where you control the private keys, not exchanges where your money can be frozen. Diversify. Don't put all your money in crypto. Combine it with real estate, business, and other assets. Always stay updated. The laws and banking rules keep changing. Don't trade blindly. So let's answer the big question. Is cryptocurrency illegal in Nigeria? No, it is not. You can own it. You can trade it. You can store your wealth in it. But the system, banks, CBN policies, inflation makes it very difficult if you don't know what you are doing. And if your account ever gets frozen, don't panic. Get a lawyer. Fight it in court. Show proof of legitimacy. Many Nigerians have successfully unfrozen their accounts. And at the end of the day, crypto is not going away. If anything, it's growing stronger. The earlier you learn how to protect yourself, the better. Don't wait until you wake up one morning and find your hard-earned money trapped in the system. Take action now. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe and share with someone who you feel needs to watch this video.